world? Well, for starters, engineers are a competitive bunch. They thrive on the thrill of being ahead. They like having an edge, a secret weapon that helps them stay ahead of the curve. It's a matter of pride and strategy. It's like having a secret stash of cookies. You don't want to tell anyone about it because then you'd have to share. And sharing means losing that special advantage. Plus, there's always the fear that someone might steal their precious tool, or even worse, use it for evil. The paranoia is real. Okay, maybe not evil, but you get the point. The idea of someone else taking credit or misusing their hard work is unsettling. It's like that awesome playlist you made. You don't want just anyone getting their hands on it. It's personal, it's valuable, and it's uniquely yours. Section 5. Every rose has its thorns, the downside of Enchantress. But hold on a sec. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. While Enchantress offers a lot of benefits, it's important to recognize its limitations and potential pitfalls. Like everything else in life, Enchantress has its downsides. It's not a perfect solution, and relying too heavily on it can lead to unforeseen issues. For one, it can be pretty addictive. The convenience it offers can make it hard to step away, leading to over-reliance. Imagine relying on a tool that gives you all the answers without you having to break a sweat. It sounds great, but it can make you complacent. What happens when you have to go back to doing things the old-fashioned way? The skills you once had might become rusty or even obsolete. It's like trying to go back to regular coffee after you've had a triple-shot espresso. The experience just isn't the same, and it can be quite jarring. And then there's the whole ethical dilemma. The rise of such powerful tools brings up questions about the future of human labor. If a machine can do the work of a human, what happens to all the engineers? Do they just become obsolete? Or is there a way to integrate these tools without displacing people? Do they just become obsolete? It's a question that doesn't have an easy answer, but it's one that needs to be addressed. It's a scary thought, but it's a conversation we need to have. The future of technology and human labor is intertwined, and we must navigate it carefully. So, there you have it. The secret AI tool engineers don't want you to know about. It's powerful, it's mysterious, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way we build the future. But like any powerful tool, it needs to be used responsibly. Who knows, maybe one day Enchantress will be available to everyone, and the world will be a better, more efficient place. Or maybe it'll remain a secret, whispered about in hushed tones in server rooms around the world. Only time will tell.